Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another video. So, uh, it's November, right? It's November. Halloween is done. November is already here. So I was walking to in the store the other day, and I happened to find these. Christmas is not for another month. Honestly, I'm not mad. I'm not mad about it. Boom Chicka Pop popcorn, white chocolate with peppermint drizzled kettle corn. This popcorn brand actually I like this brand. Cause Starbucks already has the peppermint mocha. They got the new sugar cookie latte. They got everything. But this, let me fix my camera. Hey, yeah. I actually smelled the peppermint coming out of that bag. Whoa. It's kettle, so it's like basically sweet corn. What the? When it's a white chocolate peppermint. But look, let me see if I can get a popcorn real quick so I can show you how it looks like. I don't know if you can see, but you can see like the little peppermint. No, let me see if I can find a better one. Ah, this was more like it. Like peppermint drizzled on it, like little peppermint rocks. So without further ado, let's taste. Yo, this is gnarly. This is gnarly as hell. It has like the perfect amount of chocolate with the peppermint. Not too sweet, but I'll give it a perfect 9 out of 10, honestly. I didn't expect it to be that and like the sweetness, but like, yeah, I'll give it a perfect 9 out of 10. I recommend these actually. If you're into like peppermint, chocolate mixed together, I highly recommend this. It's called Angie's Boom Chicka Pop. I got this at Big Lots, and yeah. And if you're new to my channel, hit the like and subscribe button. If you like it, please share with your friends, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you probably next week. Peace.